Boom! Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. We're doing a bit of a different one today. We're talking about all the different colours you could have for your shed. So you know we love it. Colorsteel, New Zealand's favourite steel. It's on my arm, it's on the back of the Chiefs. Go the Chiefs, man. But we want to talk about what different colours you can have for your shed and what they'd look like. We've been doing this for over 20 years now. That's why we sponsored Waikato Rugby number 20 last year, 21 this year, NPC incoming. There's some really cool colours that are available at the moment. Flaxpod mat, been very cool. Friends of ours put that on their shed house. Others, I've seen it on high-end lifestyle sheds, looks great. Tidal drift mat, same style. It's got this very cool way of looking at it. Tui tuft, beautiful bright white. Needs a bit of work. If you purchase that one and you're going to do it, make sure you blow all the swarf off. Swarf is the little iron filings that happen when you're screwing, drilling, and that is, if that sits on the bottom of your vermin flashing or anything on like that, it can provide this discoloration, but it looks really good. We've got the full range of colours. What do we got? 4 times 6, 24 different colours in here. My personal favourite is Pioneer Red. I love a red shed. I love a classic red shed. I've got a red shed at home. It was rusty, so I painted it red. If you come in and see us, we've got the Colorsteel here. It's got this cool little thing here where you can pop it in and out. I really like these, is you can take these home, you can order them from the Colorsteel website. And what they are is they're the actual steel. So you can look at it in different lights. As you are, what does it look like in the light? What does it look like in the dark? Really important. Most popular colours that we're seeing at the moment, definitely Flaxpod, Ironsand, where are you, my friend? Ironsand, it's just right there, above Flaxpod. Jace, keep your eyes open. Flaxpod, Ironsand, Ebony. We know we're all Black supporters, and so there's a lot of ebony roofs out there. Be aware of the heat. And then we get a lot of grey Friars and Thunder Grey. I thought we could pop around, we could have a little bit of a chat to the staff and see what they want. One of the things I really like though, is a bit of a change is, hey, you might go red for the shed walls, red on the roof, but maybe you go blue or grey on the doors. That looks really fun. I like a contrasting colours. That's just me personally. You might want to go everything the same. B&D that make all our doors via Dominator, all Colorsteel as well. Metalcraft for the insulated doors, they all match it. So that's what's cool. All of these, and when you're doing these, you're supporting the great Kiwis at the steel mill, turning our great Waikato Ironsand into the steel, the electric arc furnaces, making it all renewable and great. And then they're painting it on there. So then that's designed to last in all of our conditions. And what they used to do, there used to be Endura or Max. One was for non-coastal, one was for coastal. And I said, hey, let's just give everybody a great price and a great product. So Max Sam, that's available and that's for everybody. So it doesn't matter whether you're near the Sulphur in Rotorua, whether you're in Raglan on the coast, or you're in Rototuna in town. The Maxim, the Colorsteel works great for you. If you're literally right on the coast, you might want the aluminium, which we can look out for as well. But why don't we pop around, see the team, and see what their favourite colours are as well. Coming into the office, before we ask Kathy on a favourite one, we've got the Pioneer Red there as well. And so Ferro Interior, which is a great one. A little bit of a why were all the sheds in New Zealand red? Well, it's because of like the manganese or the iron that was naturally available. So they turned that into a pigment and they would paint that on all the sheds to preserve them and that. But that's why you get a lot of that old sort of rusty red sheds all over the country. It was just ingenuity, Kiwi ingenuity. But Kathy, we're asking favourite shed colours.
I love the ebony. But I'd have it with orange doors, not black. Yeah.
Orange doors. They don't have any orange doors. Or wood look doors or?
Yeah, possibly wood look. Yeah. Or green.
That's what I was like. What about an emerald green, a permanent green?
Permanent green.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that'd be good.
From the Green Isles. Thank you, Kathy. Let's go and see our man Glenn. Here we go, Glenn. Oh, that's what we wanted to see.
How are you, man?
Yeah, very good.
We're talking colours, shed colours.
We're talking
Colorsteel
shed
colours.
colours, Colorsteel.
I'm probably a little bit like Kathy. I like the ebonies, the classic dark coloured sheds, ebony or Ironsand with some sort of contrast. However, if you watched my recent video that we did out in Cambridge, the 70 square metre dwelling, they were bold enough to use mist green with
Yes.
the accents or the highlights of the Ironsand doors and window joinery. Bold choice, but I think it looked pretty cool.
That's it. I think fortune favours the bold. That's it. So well done to that. Cheers that. Also, just on New Zealand steel, I'll flick it up, blue steel as well. You'll see that on all our framing. So that's how you can tell Axis steel framing, New Zealand made. They're doing that in the blue as well, which looks very cool. Here we got the man, the myth, the legend, Bronick. We're talking favourite colour sheds. What colours do you make your shed and what's your favourite?
My shed, believe it or not, I'm going to build a shed soon.
I
A
believe
lovely
ya.
Waikato shed. The colours I'm going to use for that is I'm going to use grey fry for the walls and sandstone grey for the roof. But honestly, I don't believe you can go past a really cool red shed.
Yeah, nice red shed. Would you do a contrast on that red shed, or are you just like that classic red shed on a hill?
I like the classic red shed on the hill. Shame it can't be yellow.
That's it, eh?
You just think about all those sunflower fields that would go past.
That's it, a sunflower. Yeah, sunflower. Yeah, it would look cool.
Yeah,
A yellow
but
shed,
otherwise-
a lavender shed.
Yeah, bring on the red sheds. Love
Bring
them.
on the red sheds, no worries. Whoa, that's it, catching it, eh? No worries. All right, should we pop on down? Here we go. Coming in. Oh, that's it, eh? Surprise the Fords with a bomb. Thomas, we're talking favourite colours, 4 sheds. What are you enjoying?
I really enjoy grey Friars and Titania.
Titania, yeah, nice.
Yeah, really sharp, nice and modern. Yeah, but also classic and timeless too.
Yeah. What colour did you go on your shed?
I've got a grey Friars roof and Titania for the walls.
Nice.
Grey Friars doors too, yeah.
Nice. The classic contrast, contrasting it can look really good. And do it. Any other favourite sheds out there that you want to mention?
Yeah, I really, really like the stable that Brian's built for Zoe down the back here. Nice little 3-bay pole shed.
What colour did we do that one in?
That's Flaxpod.
Flaxpod. Endless classic. Awesome. All right, spin it back my way. Oh, there we go. Still going, still going. We got it in there. Maria, I won't pass the ball. I will ask the question though. Favourite shed colour?
For me, walls would be sandstone grey, and then the roof and doors Flaxpod, contrasting darkness.
Yeah, love it. Good contrast. Excellent. Sandstone grey as well. Hides the cobwebs pretty well. So excellent. Thank you, Maria. And then we got into it. Shane, he's going to catch the high ball. He does. Almost like a line out there. You're coming in last. What are we coming in? Favourite colours?
I like the lighter colours, mainly because my shed's Titania, so so I'm a big fan of that sort of stuff. But even like a Gal Grey or a Tui Tough Sandscape, those lighter ones.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of those. Yeah, they're like nice and fresh. Wow. Yeah.
Nice. I want to give an honourable mention to, I think it's the new denim blue as well. We did that small little American barn around Matangi and that looked really good as well. Contrasting with some white doors, looked really sharp. So there you go. You can have your shed in multitudes of different colours. We do have options, the other ones. There's the luxe sort of styles with the nature wood and that on our pole shed out the back. We've got the nature steel doors in that as well. So not colour steel, different steel, a little imported, but we can deal with a little bit of that in our lives, because they do look so sharp. So, hey, we want to make your shed dreams a reality. So talk to us. We'll be able to help you out. We can show you literally hundreds of different sheds that we've done over the years. They help you with the ideas. Oh, we got it on there, but This one, another great one, Ironsand with Pioneer red doors, loving that one. Some great red American barns in there. Done some lichen ones over there over the time as well. So that's it, would love to share it. Even this one that looks white is actually Zincalume. So a real traditional look, but looks really sharp, all about the hot rods, the classic cars, and a Zincalume shed house. So thanks for watching. Any questions, hit me up in the comments below. I'll let you know. Let me know your favorite shed color. If you do, I might be able to find you some Colorsteel prizes for you. So comment on that, let us know. And otherwise, mate, you know it. Great sheds done right.